La Paz Waterfall is a waterfall in central Costa Rica. In Spanish, it is known as Catarata de La Paz. It is 31 kilometers north of Alajuela between Vara Blanca and Chinsona. The waterfall is located immediately alongside Route 126. The river La Paz forms the waterfall after traversing 8 kilometers of volcanic terrain and then continuing through the rainforest of the eastern side of Paz volcanoes. A short path leads behind the waterfall, where a small shrine had been located. Upstream from the waterfall is La Paz Waterfall Gardens, a hotel and a park where visitors can observe many different species of local wildlife. This is the real waterfall I have ever seen, like a remote rainforest. The waterfall and the surrounding area were severely damaged in the 6.1 magnitude earthquake of January 8, 2009. Landslides damaged the road that runs alongside the waterfall.